All right, welcome to spooky season, and we are seeing something awry, something spooky in the search engine results pages. In this test, I believe will have a dramatic impact on both your ads and your organic traffic. And it really was spotted back in May, this test in the wild, and now it's rolling out to more people. On my personal Google, I see this all the time now. And I'm going to show you an example here of what a search looks for CRM. And every single thing that you see here above the fold is either some flavor of AI or a featured snippet, and then an ad. And instead of having that little sponsored above each ad, it is now almost an accordion style of sponsored results. And what that could mean, and what I think it will mean, and what it meant for me, who is a search professional. I do this for a living, and I clicked on an ad thinking it was an organic result when I first saw this interface, is that anything that is down from the sponsored notification, like the sponsored remark at the very top, lower in that accordion will look more organic because it's actually farther away from the word sponsored here. So for this case that's up on screen, you can see that Monday.com is actually an ad, but because above it is Zoho with some site links as well, it is quite removed from sponsored results there. And also you can see Pipedrive is there. There's another HubSpot ad, and the bottom of the accordion is actually below the fold. So it's even trickier. And I searched on this with a big screen. People may not know that these ads are actually ads. And another example, just so you can see it as well, I did a search for CRM software this time. We can see our AI up above. And then underneath, we see the sponsored results, where we have one big example for Monday with two different site links there, then Zoho, and then another 10 best CRM software that actually kind of looks organic. That ad is written in an organic way, and it is, again, very far removed from sponsored results there. So I think that this test will see organic clicks potentially lowering. And for everybody out there that always says, who clicks on ads? It is very difficult now with this interface to discern what is an ad and what isn't an ad. And I think that our ad clicks may see an increase. Now, what can you do about this? I would say the number one thing to do is to use your headlines, use your descriptions. And if you wanted to test something, test writing something maybe a little bit more organically, right? So instead of the best or official or things like that, this example that the 10 best CRM software of 2025, that kind of looks like an organic title there. So I am excited to see this roll out to more, and also eager to see the impact not only on ads, which I think will be up, but also on organic, which I think will be down.